So in this video, we're going to be making Haikookies from being frank. So for anybody that hasn't seen the movie Being Frank, Haikookies are essentially an ear-shaped cookie that has a little piece of paper slipped inside of them that has a haiku on it. So I thought I would do something a little different today and just kind of like chat with you, which is feels so different because I'm not like, it's not something I do a whole lot on here because I'm just kind of a shy person. I'm kind of a shy person like outside of here as well. And so it's weird for me to like share about me or like talk about me. It feels weird, but I'm gonna try a little bit today because I feel like I have something that I would like want to talk about that I feel like could help some people out there or just make them feel like I feel you. So something I've been working on outside of YouTube is I've been writing a manuscript for a book, and I finished it last month. It's a thriller. Today actually marks 1 month of submitting it to literary agents because I want to try to get a literary agent so that they can help me publish it. The process of getting a literary agent hasn't been vastly different than what I expected, but I think it's different going through the experience rather than just like reading about what to expect. Because I think when I read about what to expect, I expected that there would be waiting periods and there would be lots of rejection. I was kind of like, okay, like I can wait. I can take the rejection, like I can take the unpleasantness of all of that. I can to a certain extent. Being on YouTube, you do get, everybody gets some comments that are less desirable, and you kind of like deal with that, and sometimes it affects you more than other times. I kind of like just expected that kind of vibe, but I feel like it has been that way and it hasn't been that way. Before I started submitting, I felt like I was so confident about my book and my story. and like my characters and everything. I was just like I just thought I had like a really unique thing on my hands and that like people were gonna love it. I guess I'm not finding as much support as I had expected or as that maybe I hoped for. And it has really affected my confidence regarding my story. Because like I said, before I started this process, I was like very confident that I had created something like really cool. And now I have found myself over this month's period of time so far that it has kind of like etched away at that confidence. All of these rejections that I've been receiving to the point where I'm like, do I have a good story? Like, is it something that other people are going to enjoy? Like, is it something that is going to be able to be published? Like, it has really shattered my confidence. And, like, it's been a really unfortunate consequence of this process. So far, so you know, I have received 16 responses to queries that I have submitted to literary agents, and they've all been passes. I'm still waiting on more responses. The waiting period really friggin' sucks. Yes, a lot of the agents will tell you like it takes X amount of weeks to get back to you. Sometimes they'll say months. And it's like, that's a long time. I knew it was a long time before, but like when you're going through it, it seems like an even longer span of time. And it's like torturous. It's torturous waiting. And you're like waiting for these emails and you're like, you know, is somebody going to email me today and be like, yeah, I want to read the rest of your manuscript? And like, I get the little notification for my email and it's like, oh, someone sent me an email, you know, like it's been really testing my mental health for sure. Some days I feel really like in the dumps because I just have all of this self-doubt and I'm like have been working on this for a while now, like, so it's like a lot of time and effort has been devoted into this and it means a lot to me. And I want a literary agent to feel that way too. And I want them to feel like other people will be excited for this book and so they want to publish it, so they want to get it out there, but I don't know. Obviously, like I just have to like keep being patient and keep waiting for more people to get back to me. Maybe I'm just like stressing myself out for like literally no reason. Like I just need one person to be like, yeah, we love it. Like we're going to take on your book and we're going to publish it and like work with you to and everything. Like I just need that one person, but like currently I don't have that one person and I don't know if that one person exists. Like for the people that I've queried, I don't know if like when that's gonna occur either. Like I've had people get back to me literally within hours and then they tell you that it can take up to, I mean, I usually don't query anyone that's more than like 8 weeks or something, but they can take 12 weeks. They can tell you it might take 6 months or a year. I don't query people that take 6 months or a year. Sorry, like I can't wait that long. Like, I mean, waiting like 2 months to know that you've been rejected, like that kind of sucks. Like I can only relate it to like when you're trying to find a job. If the employer doesn't get back to you within like a week, you pretty much know that like, okay, they're not like gonna go with me or they're not, you know, for whatever reason. But with this, it's like sometimes they tell you that they're not going to get to looking pretty much at your application for a month or two. And you have to wait that long just to see if they don't want you. And it's like, I'm gonna stick this out because it's important to me, and I would very much like to get my manuscript published. So I'm not gonna like give up. And I'm going to continue to query agents for as long as it takes, because that's like kind of what I do. I mean, with YouTube, like I've been doing YouTube for almost 7 years now, and like I haven't given that up. Like, yes, I've taken breaks from it when like I get frustrated or I want to focus on writing my manuscript. I took a pretty big break. I still like come back to it because like I still have hopes that maybe something will work out with it, you know? So I don't want to like give up completely, but YouTube frustrates me a lot too. So, you know, I did want to mention, because I haven't done these kind of like chatty things before. I know that on here I haven't really shared a lot about myself. So I wanted to share something with you. I don't think I've ever said what my name is. My name is Jessica. You have to let me know if like you would have guessed my name was Jessica or if you thought my name was something else. So I guess that's it. I guess I'll just like end the video here.